Hi all, in this video I will show you how to create Informatica account. Okay, you can open any one of the browser and we can type IICS login. So whenever you want to log in into Informatica platform, so you have to open the first link, and remember every time it will start with DM-UK or US or AP. So if you open other links, it will open other pages, so it will not open the Informatica platform. So let me open this link. It will open the login page. So if you already have an account, we can log in here. If you don't have an account, so let's click on this link. So let's create one new account here. Okay, you can click don't have an account, so it will open the create account page. So here it will ask some basic details, so you have to fill all these details for first name, last name, job title, work mail ID. If you don't have work mail ID, we can use the temp mail ID to create this Informatica account, and it is valid up to 30 days. So I already have an account, so let me log in and I will show you how many services we are getting free within this 30 days. So after login, you can see we have 4 services here: data integration, administrator, monitor, and operational insights. So whenever you create account using this page, we are getting only 4 services are free, and it is valid 30 days only. So what we can do, we can create one Informatica University account, so that account is valid up to 90 days and will also get more services. Okay, so you can open any one of the browser and you can type Informatica University, and you have to open the first link. Okay, you have to open the first link, Informatica University online Informatica training. So once you click on this link, it will open this page. So here we have to click on this explore training paths. So let's click on this explore training paths. It will open another page. So here we can create Informatica University account. So here also it is asking work mail ID, first name, last name, organization name, phone number, and country name. So once you fill all these details, we can check this box and you can click submit. You will get one verification mail. You need to verify that. So after successfully verifying, we can log in into Informatica University account. So once you fill all these details, you can click on this link. It will open the login page. So let me click on this link. It will open login page. So I already have an account, so that's why I directly log in into Informatica University accounts. So once you open this page, here we can see lot of videos are there. We can also go through these videos if you want to learn more about what is Informatica, data quality, or power center, or EDC developer. You can also go through all these videos. Let me show you how we can create Informatica University account, and it is valid up to 90 days. So here we can search one course name. We have to search here. We can search here cloud data integration, and we can open this link. So cloud integration for developers 2025 7 release on demand. So we have to open this course, and so it will give one link. So using that link we can create Informatica University account. So let's open this course. So here you can see some basic details are there. Creating Informatica cloud free trial account. Okay, let's open this open curriculum. So here we can observe it is giving some videos. We can also go through all these videos. So right now I already completed this create your Informatica cloud trial account. So we can also click this launch button. So you can click these 3 icons, launch, click on launch button. So it will open another page. So here also it will ask some details. So you have to fill all these details to create Informatica University account. Okay, so once you fill all these details, so here also you will get one verification mail. So you need to verify that, and you need to set password. So once you set your password, you can directly log in into Informatica University account. So I already have one account, and I'll show you what are all the services we are getting once we create account using this page. So whenever you create account using this page, you will get only these services, 4 services we are getting free up to 30 days. So whenever you create account using this page, will get more services, and up to 90 days it is valid. So let me log in into this university account, and you can go to login page. So my login URL is, it will start with dm-us. So let me open this login page. Let me enter my mail ID and password. Login. So it is valid up to 90 days. So here we'll get more services. See, this is the Informatica University account. It is valid up to 90 days. Here we are getting more services. But compared to here, we have only 4 services here free: data integration, administrator, monitor, and operational insights. But here Informatica University account, we are getting more services like application integration, data integration, integration hub. So all these services we can use up to 90 days. If you found this video helpful, so subscribe to ZB Core channel. Thank you.